welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be decorating the kitchen area, but before we start decorating we are going to be using the kitchen this morning, and I'm going to be helping Derek make his famous arepas that everybody loves when he brings them over. If you don't know what arepas are, it's kind of like cornmeal pancakes, and he puts mozzarella cheese inside of them. They are absolutely delicious. Now, I try not to bother Derek when he's making them. He has a very specific way on making them by hand, so I'm going to be helping him out where I can. I know I am so blessed to have a husband who found his love for cooking pretty early on in our marriage. We're going on 9 years married, and he is obsessed with being in the kitchen, cooking, trying new things, and I'm so grateful for that. Now that we're done with breakfast, we're going to go ahead and start with cleaning off our surfaces before we start decorating. that street. There's something about living in a state like Florida where it's 90 degrees outside and you decide to take the season into your own hands, and you get to recreate it however you imagine it being, and however you perceive it is perfect in its own way. I wanted to recreate this idea that I had from last year I used during Christmas time, and that was creating big bows for my overhead lights that are over my kitchen island. I could not settle on a color, so I went ahead and got champagne. I knew it would go with my fall decor and my Christmas decor since I'll most likely just be leaving them up. They do have to be wired, that way you can make the structure of the bow once you're done cutting everything. Oh, it sounds like Willie. There was something about making a structure of a bow that was actually kind of hard, and I wanted to do a no glue method, so if you guys are having any kind of trouble, I will link in the description a video that helped me out.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like waves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, self-touch your hidden mind gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric light can make me feel alive. I know your light's gone, you make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season.
So I would say, like, don't put it on that block. Yeah, right at the front.
Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest time. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Maybe this is the season of love.
You may have seen this in my last video, but I was able to pick out some beautiful fall fabric, and today we're going to be creating some fall bandanas for my puppies.
In a world of green, just like a dream, you and I standing wild and free, with petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss, a love so strong.
Okay, so I had to stop and pick up the camera because I want to share this with you. I am on the verge of buying my first ever domain for my blog. I'm so excited about it because it's going to be coordinating with my YouTube channel and everything. I'll try to have all my links and things like that on there. So just a space where I can kind of tell you a little bit more in detail about places we've been to in that blog or anything like that. I really like it because I take a lot of photos, and you might notice that on my socials. If you follow me, definitely check them out in the description down below. But I can share a little bit more photos that I don't always share on Instagram or socials there in the blog about places we've been to and things like that. Because the thing that I fell in love with, rant, just letting you know, the thing that made me fall in love with photography was actually landscapes and nature photography at first. When I first picked up a camera, I think I was 13 years old, and I was obsessed with taking pictures of flowers, really close shots of leaves and worms and all the things nature. And I want to still be able to do that. Something that's still in me, that I want to capture little details of life that we unfortunately miss sometimes walking by really quickly in our fast-paced life. So now I have my blog to go ahead and attach all those things and experiences to, and be able to tell you about it and share a little bit more detailed about places and things and activities and recommendations and things like that. So anyways, I'm so excited because here we are. I'm literally at the checkout. I'm gonna grab my card, put it in, buy it. EmilyFalconn.com. Down below is gonna be linked now forevermore. So excited. Oh, don't mind these lovebirds behind me. That's Evie, older sister. Stella, her younger sister, who's like her twin. They're always in a love-hate relationship. Look at them, they're so cute. Are you being sweet to each other? You guys were caught being sweet. So are you hiding? Are you hiding behind Evie? The cutest girl.